Eto na naman mga boss, bagong play to earn NFT game. Kung may extra time ka, halika review natin to. Let's go! So ito na mga boss, no? Metabots. Inspired nga pala to ng BAM Crypto mga boss at 6 days na lang. So sa lahat na interested dito, mag-dior muna kayo. Your money, your choice. I'm not liable to any NFT projects. And Metabots is for those who like BAM Crypto, okay? So I really do believe this project has potential mga boss, pero anticipate nyo yung risk, no? So lahat ng NFT projects may risk mga boss, nasa inyo pa rin ang decision kung papasok kayo o hindi. Nagre-review lang ako mga boss. So kung titignan yung gameplay, ganyan siya, no? So kung mahilig kayo sa ganyan na type na game, also metaverse experience magkakaroon in the future, no? Wala pa kayo, i-implement pa lang nila. May PvP, may scavenger quest, meta merge, and MHQ. May scavenger hunt pa mga boss. So yan yung mga NFT bots. Titingnan nyo mga boss, very plain lang sila, no? Pero yan yung pagkakadesign, no? Honestly, hindi ganun ka talagang pinaghirapan yung design. They are ordinary. So yan yung roadmap, no? As you can see, very detailed roadmap, which is nice. So April to June, ayan na, Metabots game, beta test, kakaroon din ng smart contract, audit, token sale, official game launching, game release, game fusion, kakaroon din ng exchange listing, marketplace, and staking mga boss. Yun yung iniintay ko, staking eh. So yun yung tokenomics. So in layman's term, staking, mag-hold ka at kikita ka. So yun yung 5% private sale. So sana naka-vesting yan, no? Liquidity, naka-lock. So naka-lock naman mga boss, yan nakasulat o private sale. Also yung liquidity and also yung dev wallet, which is nice mga boss. So yun yung biggest factors to consider, no? So may FAQ din kung may katanungan kayo, nasa website na, ayan na lahat mga boss, pwede nyo tingnan. Okay, what is Metabots, ano yung mga basic facts, no? So tingnan natin white paper mga boss. As you can see, okay, play to earn nga to. Nagko-collect ka ng MTBZ coins, no? Nagbo-blow ka lang dito mga boss, no? So pwede kang magkaroon ng resources dito pang upgrade sa chest, no? Also pag nagbubukas ka ng mga chest, pwede iba't ibang items. So meron din mga hero stats dito, rarity, skills, no? So you can see mga boss, may SAC1 corpse yung nakita natin NFT kanina. So energy speed, tapos meron din energy axe. Okay, sword yung kanina, ngayon axe. Ngayon meron din bomber fleet, ito yung nagbabomb, which is nice, no? Lupit nito. Meron din scout rangers mga boss. So actually very basic lang yung itsura ng NFTs nila, no? Hindi yung talagang highly graphics na katulad ng Galaxy Blitz, no? Pero kung gusto yung ganitong klase, may mga tao talaga mahilig sa ganito eh, na gusto yung ganito, then go, okay? Nasa inyo yung decision. So the hero stats are already here: power, energy, speed, firing rate, and reach. Also there are skills, different skills, no? And abilities, so you can improve defense, fuel charge, and a lot more guys. So ito yung MTBZ tokens na reward. So dyan kayo kikita mga boss sa MTBZ coins. Alright mga boss, so yun yung game modes. May scavengers hunt, so may marketplace, may quest din, missions weekly, monthly, 3 months, 4 months. May PvP din, fight to earn, defeat other Metabots, which is nice. So ito yung marketplace, no? Pwede ka rin mag-kickstart sa mga missions, and may meta merge din. So ang daming pwedeng abangan dito mga boss. May Metabots headquarters pa, no? So yun yung capacity ng bunker, barrack station. So yung station 12, yung bunker 6 lang. So may capsule rent din dito, pwede ka magparenta at kikita ka. At may pilot program din, no? Pwede ka magpa-pilot, and also may game economy pa. So yung tokenomics na discuss na natin kanina, may 250 million yan na MTBZ, and nakalock naman yung dev wallet 3 years. Okay, big deal yun. So anticipate nyo pa rin yung risk sa lahat na sasali dito. But Metabots has a cool, okay, roadmap, road plan, very detailed. Nakita ko lang kung dito mga boss, medyo plain yung NFTs, no, yung itsura. So if you like this type of game, if you like BAM Crypto and other NFT projects before, no, yung gameplay, we're talking about the gameplay, then it's the same thing, no. So you can follow them on social medias, you can follow them now, join their Telegram and Discord for those who are interested guys. I will link them on the description below. Sa lahat ng mga hindi pa marunong sa NFT, meron akong program mga boss na sa description na rin para ma-master niyo NFT at kumita kayo ng malaki, no? So this is Danjo the Capital Master, your #1 NFT coach, and this is Meta Botz review. Ingat kayo mga boss and have a nice day.